What happens when gripping secrets are revealed? When powerful love stories clash with betrayal, this year, some of the most unforgettable Turkish series came to a close, and today, we are bringing you the top 10 recently ended Turkish dramas of 2025. With English subtitles available for all. Let's begin. 10 Golden Boy, Yalçın. In the heart of a powerful jewelry empire, chaos brews. Aya, the family patriarch, wants to tame his reckless grandson Ferit by marrying him off. The initial bride? Suna. But Ferit shocks everyone by choosing her sister, Seyran, instead. This decision sparks jealousy, fuels buried secrets, and sets off a war of control between brothers Ferit and Fuat. Will Seyran survive this palace of glittering lies, or be shattered by it? 9 Another Day, Baska Bir Gan. Nehir had it all, a loving husband, a beautiful family, and a peaceful life away from her legal career. Until the day her husband, Sardar, vanished without a trace. Now, caught in a web of unanswered questions, family confrontations, and the unraveling truth, Nehir must face an emotional storm alone. What really happened to Sardar? And will the truth restore her peace, or destroy it completely? 8 Zembili. The Mystic. Welcome to the small town of Zembili, where life is anything but quiet. 5 close friends chase love, dreams, and secrets, but destiny has other plans. Murat, back from military leave, must win a wrestling match for the woman he loves. Fidain hides a forbidden romance. Kadir schemes to elope. Veteran Ta seeks lost treasure while trying to find purpose again. In this town, nothing unfolds the way they expect. Will fate ruin their plans, or lead them to something even greater? 7 Vendetta, Kin Saiskleri. Can love be born from bloodshed? Baran and Dil are forced into marriage to end a decades-long feud. But beneath Baran's cold stare lies a man haunted by guilt and betrayal, and Dila, strong yet trapped, begins to see the soul behind the scars. When Baran learns the real enemy is someone closer than he imagined, everything changes. Can passion replace pain, or will this marriage spark a new war? 6 Red Buds, KZL Gonkela. Married off at 14 in a strict religious sect, Miriam is desperate to save her daughter from the same fate. With help from her sister-in-law and secular psychiatrist Levent, Miriam plots an escape behind her abusive husband's back. Their alliance is fragile, torn between faith, survival, and forbidden connection. But when Levin's hidden past comes to light, the stakes explode. Can Miriam break free before it's too late? 5 The Legend of Black Tree, Kara Agag Destin. In a land ruled by power and pride, one ruthless act changes everything. Silla A, a feared landowner, kills his last rival, but fate intervenes when the rival's son is secretly raised in his own home. Years later, Sultan, the rival's daughter, returns for revenge, only to find herself drawn to the very man fate tied her to. Born on the same day, raised under lies, what happens when truth finally surfaces? 4 Unnamed Ankara, My Mother Ankara. Juhal Soydal, a mother, a soldier, a woman betrayed. When her husband's secrets explode, Juhal's life is shattered. But she doesn't break, she rises. Now, as a single mother of 3, she must rebuild everything from scratch, battling societal pressure, personal heartbreak, and a broken marriage. Will she reclaim her strength, or be pulled under by the past? 3 The Scent of the Chest. Sand Kokusu. After years of silent suffering, Kasu finally tries to escape her abusive husband by sending their toddler to live with her mother in Istanbul. But something goes terribly wrong. Her son goes missing en route. 3 years later, she finds him in Mersin, but he no longer remembers her. Now going by the name Denise, he's a stranger. How far will Karsu go to reclaim her child and herself? To Wounded Hill, Rujgal Tepe. Halil's world crumbles when his father is falsely imprisoned and their family home is stolen. Orphaned and broken, Halil grows into a man fueled by revenge, waiting for the perfect moment to confront those who destroyed him. Now he returns to the town he once called home. But what he finds is far more complicated than he ever expected. Will revenge bring peace or more destruction? One market, Pyasa. Kenan Akin is chasing power in Turkey's ruthless media world, but every move comes with a price. He balances fame, ambition, and complicated love, especially with the magnetic Munawwar, who hides as many secrets as he does. Betrayals run deep in this glamorous industry, and climbing the ladder could cost Kenan everything. In a world driven by ratings and rumors, who can you trust? It is the list of the top 10 recently ended Turkish drama series of 2025. Which of these dramas left a mark on you? Let us know in comment.